Hello everyone. Welcome to Movie Podcast in Slow English. I am happy you are here today. Today we talk about a very famous film. The name of the film is The Wizard of Oz. This film is very old. It was made in 1939, but people still love it today. It is a classic. The film has four important characters. First, Dorothy. She is a young girl. She lives on a farm in Kansas. Second, the Scarecrow. He has no brain. He wants to be smart. Third, the Tin Man. He has no heart. He wants to feel love. And fourth, the Cowardly Lion. He has no courage. He is afraid of everything. And of course, there is the Wizard of Oz, a very mysterious man. Are you ready? Let's begin the story. Dorothy lives in Kansas. Kansas is a dry, flat place. There are fields. There are farms. It is not very exciting. Dorothy has a small dog. His name is Toto. Dorothy loves Toto very much. One day the sky becomes dark, very dark, and the wind becomes very strong. This is a tornado. Tornado is a big, powerful storm. It spins like a top. The tornado is coming. Dorothy runs to the house, but she cannot go inside in time. The tornado picks up the house, takes Dorothy and Toto high into the air. Dorothy is scared. She closes her eyes. Everything spins and spins. Then, boom, the house lands. Dorothy opens her eyes. She looks around. She says something very famous. Toto, I have a feeling we are not in Kansas anymore. Dorothy is now in a magical place. It is called the Land of Oz. Everything here is beautiful. There are flowers of many colors. There are small houses, and the people here are very small. They're called the Munchkins. The Munchkins are happy to see Dorothy. Why? Because Dorothy's house fell on the Wicked Witch of the East. The witch was bad. Now she is dead. But wait, there is another witch. She is called the Wicked Witch of the West, and she is very angry. The Wicked Witch wants the ruby slippers. These are special red shoes. Dorothy has them now. A good witch, Glinda, tells Dorothy, follow the yellow brick road. Go to the Emerald City. Find the Wizard of Oz. He can help you go home. Dorothy walks along the yellow brick road. She meets a scarecrow. The scarecrow is friendly, but he is sad. He says, I have no brain. Cannot think. I want to be smart. Dorothy says, come with me. Maybe the wizard can help you too. They walk more, and they meet the Tin Man. He is standing still. He cannot move. He needs oil. Dorothy finds an oil can. She gives him oil. The Tin Man moves again. He says, thank you. I have no heart. Cannot love. I want to feel emotions. Dorothy says, come with us. Finally, they meet the Cowardly Lion. He is very big, but he is scared of everything, even small insects. The lion says, I am not brave. I have no courage. I want to be strong. Come with us, says Dorothy. Now the group is 4 people and 1 small dog. They walk together. They sing a famous song. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. But the road is not safe. The Wicked Witch is watching them. She is very powerful. She sends flying monkeys, yes, monkeys with wings, to catch Dorothy. The monkeys catch Dorothy and Toto. They take Dorothy to the witch's dark castle. Dorothy is a prisoner. She is very afraid. She does not know what to do. But her friends are coming. The Scarecrow, the Tin Man, and the Lion are brave. They come to save her. The lion is scared, but he still goes. This is real courage, doing something even when you are afraid. They go inside the castle. They fight the witch's soldiers. Dorothy is free. Then there is a bucket of water. Dorothy throws water on the Wicked Witch. The witch says, "I'm melting. I'm melting. What a world." The witch is gone. The castle is free. Everyone is happy. Dorothy and her friends finally arrive at the Emerald City. It is amazing. Everything is green and shiny. They meet the Wizard of Oz. He is very loud and powerful, a big face in fire and smoke. The wizard says, "You killed the witch. Very good. But I cannot help you yet. Come back tomorrow." Dorothy is sad. Then Toto runs to a curtain. He pulls it. Behind the curtain there is a small old man. He is pushing buttons and speaking into a machine. The man says, "Pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. The wizard is not powerful. He is just a normal person. He is a fake. But the wizard is also kind. He talks to each friend. He says to the Scarecrow, 'You are already smart. You solved every problem on the road.' He says to the Tin Man, 'You already have a heart. You felt sadness and love many times.' He says to the Lion, 'You are already brave. You were scared, but you still fought.' And what about Dorothy? The good witch Glinda comes. She tells Dorothy a secret. Glinda says, 'You always had the power to go home. Just click your heels 3 times and say, "There is no place like home."' Dorothy closes her eyes. She clicks her heels. 3. There is no place like home. There is no place like home. There is no place like home. And she wakes up. She is in Kansas. She is in her own bed. Her family is around her. It was all a dream. Or was it? So what does this film teach us? The first lesson: the things you want are often already inside you. The Scarecrow was smart. The Tin Man had a heart. The Lion was brave. They did not need magic. They needed to believe in themselves. The second lesson: home is very important. Dorothy had adventure and magic, but she missed her home. She missed the people she loves. And the third lesson: courage is not no fear. Courage is action even when you are afraid. The lion was always scared, but he always kept going. That is true bravery. Thank you so much for listening today. I hope your English is a little better now. Practice these words. Tornado, a powerful spinning storm. Courage, the ability to do something even when you are afraid. Melting, becoming liquid, like ice in the sun. Classic, something old but still very good. Mysterious, strange and unknown. Remember, every time you listen, your English gets stronger. There is no place like practice. Goodbye.